Are you planning your next adventure and looking for the perfect travel companion? In this video, we'll explore the best travel luggage in 2026 that offers durability, smart features, stylish designs, and excellent performance for every type of traveler. From carry-ons to large suitcases, these are the top picks you can buy right now. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Eastpak Transverse L, 121L Large. The Eastpak Transverse L is a spacious wheeled luggage option designed for travelers seeking both functionality and style. With a generous capacity of 121 liters, this large suitcase features dual compartments that help organize your belongings efficiently. It is equipped with a TSA lock for added security during your travels, ensuring that your items are safe while going through airport screenings. The compression straps allow you to secure your packed items and minimize bulk, making it easier to maneuver through busy terminals. Additionally, the smooth wheeling system enhances mobility, allowing for effortless transport across various surfaces. Finished in a sleek black denim design, the Eastpak Transverse L combines practicality with a modern aesthetic, making it an ideal choice for any journey. Number 2. Briggs & Riley 27-inch medium checked luggage. The Briggs & Riley 27-inch medium checked luggage is a robust and stylish travel suitcase designed for the modern traveler. This hardshell heavy-duty spinner luggage features a TSA lock for added security, ensuring your belongings are safe during your journeys. One of its standout features is the integrated garment compartment system, which helps keep your clothes organized and wrinkle-free. Part of the Talk collection, this suitcase comes in a striking ocean color, making it not only functional but also visually appealing. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway or a longer trip, this luggage is built to withstand the rigors of travel while providing convenience and style. Number 3. Tumi Aerotour 4. The Tumi Aerotour 4-wheel expandable carry-on is a premium 21.75-inch travel suitcase designed for both business and leisure travelers who value durability, organization, and effortless mobility. Crafted from lightweight yet rugged materials, this carry-on features an expandable main compartment that provides extra packing space when needed while still fitting most overhead bins. Its smooth rolling spinner wheels and telescoping handle ensure easy maneuverability through busy airports, while thoughtfully designed interior compartments, compression straps, and multiple pockets keep clothing and travel essentials neatly organized. Finished in a sleek black design, the Aerotour combines TUMI's signature craftsmanship with practical features, making it an excellent choice for frequent travelers seeking a stylish, reliable, and versatile carry-on luggage option. Number 4. Tumi Alpha Large 4. The Tumi Alpha Large 4-wheeled garment bag is a premium travel solution designed for professionals and frequent travelers who need to transport suits, dresses, coats, and other formal clothing without wrinkles. Constructed from TUMI's exceptionally durable FXT ballistic nylon, this spacious garment bag features a 4-wheel spinner system for effortless maneuverability, a built-in TSA-approved combination lock for added security, and a well-organized interior with hanger brackets, compression straps, multiple zippered pockets, and a dedicated shoe compartment. Its generous capacity accommodates several garments while keeping everything neatly organized, making it an excellent choice for extended business trips, weddings, and formal events. Finished in a sophisticated midnight black, the Tumi Alpha Large 4-wheeled garment bag combines luxury, durability, and practical functionality for stress-free travel. Number 5. Briggs & Riley 21-inch. The Briggs & Riley 21-inch global carry-on expandable spinner from the Simpatico collection is a premium hard-side suitcase designed for both business and leisure travelers who want durability, organization, and effortless mobility. Crafted with a lightweight yet impact-resistant polycarbonate shell in an elegant olive finish, it features Briggs & Riley's exclusive CX expansion compression system, allowing you to expand the packing capacity by up to 25% and then compress it back to its original carry-on size. The suitcase is equipped with smooth 360-degree spinner wheels, an aircraft-grade telescoping handle, a built-in TSA-approved lock, self-repairing YKK zippers, garment compression panels to minimize wrinkles, and multiple interior pockets for organized packing. Sized to meet many international carry-on requirements, this stylish and highly functional suitcase is backed by Briggs & Riley's renowned lifetime repair guarantee, making it an excellent investment for frequent travelers seeking long-lasting performance and convenience. So, these are some of the best travel luggage options in 2026 that can make your journeys easier, more organized, and stress-free. All product links for your purchase are available in the video description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews and buying guides.